How to replace airflow mass sensor on your car, SUV. That is RAV4 Toyota. That is mass oxygen airflow sensor. Two small screws over here, unscrewed and disconnected. To do that job on dealership or car repair shop, they'll charge you like 300-400 bucks. That is to do, I don't know, like 5-10 minutes max. Take the screws out, disconnect here. Okay, that old one, and I got new one on eBay, like 20 bucks. That one. Connect it. Put it back. Two small screws. Just like that. Less of 5 minutes. I don't know whether it's charged you so much. Brand name sensor maybe 80-90 bucks, and that is replacement 20 bucks on eBay. Fast, nice and easy. Thank you for looking. Good luck.